Hello, hello. The typical workflow when we are doing dropshipping in Odoo is that first we sell the item, confirm the sale order. That triggers a request for quotation from our supplier. And then from there, we confirm the request for quotation from our supplier. But what if the case is that we first negotiate with the supplier and then later on we modify the sale order price, right, for that existing item? We'll see that in this video. So first, just a few notes. Remember that for a dropship product, what we'll need is that in the inventory tab, we have the dropship route and as well as a supplier for that corresponding product. Now, as we were saying, the typical workflow is we create a quotation for our corresponding client. Let's just go with Deco Addict. We add the product, dropship product, and once we confirm the sale order, now we have a purchase order. And once we confirm the purchase order, we have the corresponding dropship. And let's just mark that we validate it. Going back into the sale order, now we'll see how the product has been delivered according to a dropship process. But as we were saying, what if we have to first start with the purchase negotiating with the supplier? To do this, we're gonna do one customization. In our purchase orders, we're gonna open Studio, navigate to our form view, scroll down to the list view of the line items in the purchase order. We're gonna edit our list view. And then from here, we're gonna look into our existing fields of this table, and we're gonna look for the original sale item. We can just drag and drop it into this table and close Studio. This is the only customization that we need. Now from here, let's do the workflow. First, we're gonna add our corresponding supplier. Let's just go with Azure Interior. We're gonna mark that the deliver to needs to be dropshipping. And the dropship address, let's select our client. Let's just go with ReadyMat in this case. And we're gonna add our product, the dropship product. Now, as of now, this is not connected to any sale order. But what we can do is in our sales orders, we're gonna create our sale order for ReadyMat, add our corresponding product, dropshipped product, and save. Now, how do we connect this with the purchase? So easy. That was sale order number 75. We can go now into our purchase orders, open that one, corresponding one, and on the original sale item, we're going to select that sale order number 75, the one for ReadyMat. And of course, we would be able to do the search more and apply some filters on the search more. Okay, but we're not going to do that. Now from here, you see that the purchase order is already connected to the sale order. So here we're going to be able to negotiate the price, do the back and forth with the supplier. Perhaps it goes to 40. And then from here, at some point, we can negotiate that price with our customer in the sale order. And perhaps instead of 50, it's just going to be sold at 60, right? And then from there, just the same that we already know. For the sale order, we're going to confirm it. And back into the purchase order, we're going to be able to confirm the purchase order. And then from there, at some point, the dropship, we will validate it, and we'll see how in our sale order, this has also been delivered. So as a summary, we're going to need in our purchase orders to add that corresponding field or the original sale item. And then for the workflow, we're going to have to create the purchase order, create the sale order, link the purchase order to the sale order via this field, and then do the back and forth negotiation with the supplier. Later on, do the back and forth negotiation with the client, confirm the sale order with the client, and later on, confirm the already linked purchase order. I hope that helps. Have a good one.